Hello everyone, welcome back. Now I am going to show you how to write a program to achieve the subtraction between two numbers. To write this program, we have to declare and define the variables, and secondly define the difference, and thirdly printing the difference. In Python, you need not explicitly declare the data type of the variables. The Python interpreter itself takes the data type based on the value given to the variable. And to define the variables, you can directly assign values to the variables, or else you can use input function. In this program, I am going to use input function. The input function can be used when you want to give the chance to the user to enter the data to your variables. The print function can be used to print the output on the system screen or any other output device on which you need to print the output. Since I do not have Python installed within my system, I am using an online compiler to write the program. Now we shall start writing the program. First, declaration of variables. Let us name the variables as A and B. A is equals to. You can define the variables by using equals to sign. Now I am using a function named float. The float function is used to convert the string values to float values. The Python interpreter by default takes the given variables as strings. Hence, we are using float function to convert them into float values. Float input. Now I am using input function, which we have previously discussed. Input Now let us declare and define another variable. Float Here we have used float at the point of declaration of variable, but you can also use at if you write like this: A is equals to input of and some text within this, and then if you write float of A, then also it works. But I'm just to reduce the code, I'm just using at the point of declaration of variables. Okay, now let's define the difference. Difference is equals to A minus B. Now let us print difference. To print the difference, we have to use a function named print. Print the difference between the two. Now let's run the program. Enter the number. First number, let it be 5. Enter the another number, second number, let it be 3. The difference between the two numbers is 2.0. The output of the function is shown in the form of float, since the difference between two float values is always a float. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.